Hey everybody, it's Sean from the Basin, and the leaves are changing, and you know what that means? So is our menu. So our 2023 fall-winter menu is coming out next week, and we've got some amazing cocktails on there, all put together by our five-star staff. They've all come up with their own cocktail recipe, and they're going to be featuring here.
Hi guys, it's Bella from the Basin. Today we're doing our seasonal cocktail, so I'm going to be showing you how to make my cocktail, the apple bottom bourbon. So what we're going to start off with is our garnish. So you just take about a quarter of an apple, and then we're just going to do 3 thin small slices. And then to actually get started on the cocktail, what you're going to want to do, start off with your tin, a little bit of ice. We made a brown butter fat washed bourbon, and if you don't know what fat washing bourbon is, it's basically just taking a fat, infusing it in the bourbon, and then makes it a really smooth, buttery texture in your mouth. It's really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 ounces of our fat washed bourbon. We're going to take an ounce of apple cider. We're going to take 1 scoop of apple butter. Hefty little scoop like that. Then we're going to take a ½ ounce of our orange and clove simple syrup, which we make in-house. It's really good. It gives it a little bit of spice, a little bit of citrus from the orange. And then we're going to do a quarter of an ounce of lemon juice. Now we're going to shake it up. Alright, and then we're going to grab our old-fashioned glass. And then we're going to grab our old-fashioned glass, and we're going to put a cube in there. And now we're going to strain it out onto our ice. And then we're going to grab our garnish. And that is the apple bottom bourbon.